Are you an SAP professional feeling the pressure to automate? Tired of manual processes draining efficiency, or perhaps intimidated by complex coding for automation solutions? If you're looking to streamline operations, reduce errors, and step into the future of enterprise automation with SAP, then you need to pay close attention. In today's fast-paced business world, repetitive tasks are bottlenecks. From invoice approvals to HR onboarding or intricate supply chain workflows, manual intervention costs time, money, and introduces errors. Traditional automation often means deep dives into custom development, which isn't always feasible or scalable for every business problem. This is where SAP Build Process Automation, the comprehensive guide from SAP PRESS, becomes an absolute game changer. This isn't just another textbook. It's an indispensable resource, packed with over 600 pages, designed to empower you to master SAP Build Process Automation, whether you're a developer, a business analyst, or an IT manager. So, what makes this book stand out? Let me highlight the key areas you'll master. 1. First, you'll master the process automation basics, understanding the architecture and lifecycle. 2. Second, you'll get click-by-click instructions on business process projects, learning how to create automations and decisions. 3. And finally, you'll learn the crucial part, monitoring, governance, and security, like how to manage user roles and permissions. If you're serious about elevating your SAP skills and leveraging the power of low-code, no-code automation, then this guide is an investment you won't regret. You can find the link to purchase this essential book in the description below. Small disclosure, that's an affiliate link. Buying through it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps support this channel. Thank you for your support. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more SAP insights, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.